Oh, this is an eyeshadow. It says eyeshadow. And well, it's creamy, so it's not a lipstick. It's eyeshadow. So, in today's video, try that again. In today's video, we have the Zeesea subscription right here. I opened this up because it doesn't say like what it is. It just says shipping department and then it gives the address. So I opened it up and as soon as I did, I knew exactly what this was. So this is a $40 a month subscription. Depending what's inside of here, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not because $40 is expensive. And I was not impressed with last month at all. So, if you want to see what I got inside, here are my thoughts and opinions. And am I going to cancel this? Then keep on watching. All right, so here is what the box looks like. On the front has my address. And last month we got a foundation. And I actually did a try on. I'll leave the video down below. And it was terrible. Like I literally threw the foundation away. It was bad, you know. You always get some type of eyeshadow palette, which I do like their formula, but $40 is expensive. You know what I'm saying? All right, so when you open her up, it looks like this, and it comes very well packaged. You know, you get 5 full-size items. But you don't get a card. So it doesn't tell you what anything is. It doesn't give you prices. It doesn't tell you any information about the stuff. You can go on their website and they do sell all of this stuff. But I'm filming on my phone and I don't know where my other phone is to like look at the prices right now. If I can find them out on their website as I'm editing, I'll put like the prices in. But that's about all I can do. Okay, so the first thing that I got is, it says Living Colorfully. Oh, this is an eyeshadow. It says Color Double Head Eyeshadow. I was going to say from Zeesea. Of course, everything is from. What the heck is a head eyeshadow? Alrighty then. Everything comes like packaged up like with saran wrap or whatever it is, plastic. So it does come out pretty good. I'm trying to find my knife. Alright, so let's cut her open. All right, does it have a shade? I don't see, because everything else is in a different language, so I can't read what it says. I mean, you guys can, I don't know what you can see because of the ring light. So that's why I wish I had like a card, you know? Okay, so it looks double-ended. Right there, let's see. Does it have anything? No, it just has like numbers. It doesn't have, like the colors. Okay. All right, so this is the first thing. And I don't know if this is the March or April's box because they already took out money at the beginning of the month. And I literally just got this the other day. So it might be the March box. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. That's gorgeous. It's like a brownish red, like a brick color. That's really pretty. Really pretty. Let's put it on.
What am I doing?
Like, just kind of like an ombre. Because I did my Ipsy video and I put on lipstick and it's a little too light for my liking. All right, darkened it up just a little bit, but okay. Feels good. And then this is like a thinner one. I guess it would be more of, I don't know what it is. That's a light color. That's like a shimmer. Oh, it broke. Look. Oh, it broke. Damn it. I probably did that. I went too hard, you know? So that's weird. I guess, what would you do with that? Because it says, oh, this is an eyeshadow.
Did that go the way you thought it was going to go? Nope.
It says eyeshadow. And well, it's creamy. So it's not a lipstick. It's eyeshadow. No, because I was like, that's weird to have a lipstick like that. Alrighty, and I bet you guys were screaming into the phone like, you dumb bee. It's not a lipstick. All right, so that we have that, which you can use it as a lipstick, you know. All right. So that's the first thing. The second thing is this. And what is this? Oh, it's a setting spray. Okay. I have to cut it. And that's what she looks like. All right. Let's spray. I want to see what the mister's like. It has a very clean smell. It just says lasting makeup spray. All right. I love setting spray. I don't know if like setting sprays make your makeup last longer, but what I like it for, anytime I put powder on or I set my face, I like to spray my face and then I take my dampened beauty blender and like push it in. That way you don't have that cakey look. I mean, you guys know my favorite setting sprays from Gerard Cosmetics, and I have a code with them, justanne in all caps, that saves you 30% off, but I use that every single day when I do my makeup. So that's what I use setting spray for. So I'll never not getting setting spray, you know? All right, so then we have this, and this says Desert Time. So is this a lipstick? I have no idea what this is. All right, let's open her up and see what you be. All right, let's open her up. I got this like eyebrow pencil in this packaging that said Dessert Time, so. Oh. Looks like a concealer or something. I don't know. It has like little confetti here, like how the eyebrow pencil has. But it's definitely not a lipstick. I think it's a concealer. Let's see. And that's what she looks like. Alrighty. Let's see. I'll definitely try it out. On my second channel, so I have a second channel called Just Anne's World, and when I do like story times and stuff, sometimes I'll do like a get ready with me. It won't be for a while because I don't know if I told you in this video, I already did a few videos, and I said in every video. On April 1st, I had heart surgery. I had a stent put in. I did have a mild, very mild heart attack, and I had it done through my groin area, so that's still a little sore. Like, it literally took me over 3 hours to do this makeup look, and this makeup look is hardly blended or anything, but it's my birthday when I'm filming. Today's April 6th. I am 46, and so I know I won't be able to do those type of videos for at least another week or so, but next time I will do it. I will try this out. All right, and the last thing, and this thing is from Honey and Beauty. This is a Control Oil Removal Acne and Mites. M-I-T-E-S, mites. What the heck? I don't want anything that says mites on my face. All right, so I got the plastic off, and how do you open this? Do you slide it? Yeah, so you slide it. What? I was not expecting this. Is this soap? It says oil control. All right, so that's what it looks like. All right, let's cut her open. I have no idea what this is because it has the plastic on it. I think it's soap. Oh, it does. It says body soap right here. Remove mites. M-I-T-E. It's body soap. Okay, so I'm not... Oh, it smells very clean. Like, very clean. Oh, okay. So I'm not going to open this up, but I will put this in the shower. And then you have this. Oh, this is nice. So that when you're done using the soap, you would just put it in here and then in the, you know, the bathroom. Okay. Alrighty. So we have that. I'm excited about that. And then last but not least, we have a palette. So this is like the 4th month, I believe, that I'm getting this. And we've gotten a palette every time. So that, I like it. And look at this. I keep these so when I do my giveaways or mail something, it's really, really nice. Like, they package it really, really good. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let me take the plastic off. All right, so it looks like that on the back. I mean, the packaging is so gorgeous, guys. It really, really is. And it has weight to it, you know? All right, so it has a mirror, and you take that off right here, see? And I love their little thingies to like protection. They're very nice. But this is what she looks like. I mean, how gorgeous is that? So pretty. Now, is this my favorite formula? No, but it's not bad. It really isn't. Ooh, like this right here has a little cross in it. And this has like a little Egyptian. I don't know what you can see, but it's really nice. Now, I don't like, because sometimes they have like glitter in it, and I don't like that. I don't see one glitter in here. All right. So let's swatch. All right, so this is a shimmer shade. It's very light. Now, they look patchy, right? But let me show you. They are buildable. So that's going in the second time. Very buildable. They do blend. Like I said, is that my favorite formula? No, but I do like the formula. Like, I do use these palettes, if that makes sense. And I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. But the packaging is really, really nice. Okay, so let's recap everything that I received in this month's box, and I'll tell you my thoughts. I made a mess. Yes, I did. All right, so we have this eyeshadow palette. I'm happy to get it. And like I said, every month I've been getting an eyeshadow palette. So that's good, you know? So we have that. So we have this soap. I mean, do I want to get soap in a beauty box? No, but it smells amazing. So I'll definitely use it. It really does smell good. I'll use it, love it, you know. It's soap, right? You can't have enough soap. So then we have this eyeshadow, which I thought was lipstick. Right here. So I'm going to be honest, I'll probably use it as a lipstick because it's very creamy and I like the color. Because I don't use cream eyeshadows, you know? All right, so we have that. Then we have this concealer, which I'll have to try it out. You know, it does look like it's my shade, so that's good. And what else? Oh, and then we have the setting spray, which smells good too, and I'll definitely use it. Is that everything? Yeah, I think that's everything, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's everything. So what are my thoughts? It was definitely better than last month, but do I think it's worth $40? I don't, because you're supposed to get an $80 value. Now, I don't know anything until editing. Like after the video's over, I can go look up the prices. Even if they say the value's worth $80, I wouldn't. I don't even think if you showed me this, would I pay $40? Because I look at like Boxycharm and Ipsy, you know? I mean, because I wouldn't pay $40 for this. This is a nice palette, but it says it's the British Museum x Zeesea. And I don't know, like I'm stuck because I do like everything that I got in here, but it's just so expensive. It's not a bi-monthly, it's a monthly. You know, so that's where I'm at. So help me out and let me know, should I cancel this? Should I keep it another month? Would you be satisfied if you got this for $40? Let me know down below. All right, guys, that's everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out, and it only takes a second, or dislike it. Comment too. Comment really helps with engagement. Let me know how your day's going. Let me know what you think of this box. Would you pay $40 for this puppy? Let me know down below. And yeah, that's everything, guys. All right, stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh my God, I cannot believe I put eyeshadow on my lips. I literally just read it's eyeshadow, and I still put it on my lips. It's a pretty shade for lipstick, though. Yes, it is. And it's creamy. Oh God, Anne.